Hey everyone, welcome back to Good Times Hockey. Today, it's my birthday, 1st of September, so I decided to make myself a little gift that I'd like to share with you on Good Times Hockey. But first, let me do something I don't do much on this channel. Talk about myself, give you a little hint of who I am. My name is David Marcoux. I'm a French Canadian living in Quebec. 1st of September, I'm not going to tell you the year I'm born. Don't be fooled by the 50 you see in front of you. It's not a hint of my age, though I do feel 50 sometimes. I love hockey cards. I really do. I mean, I've been collecting them since I've been a kid. Give up on the hobby for a while, bills to pay, mouths to feed. But now I get to share all this stuff with you today, and I'm very, very happy to do so. A little bit about my name, David Marcoux, mostly French Canadian, as I was saying. But Marcoux has some background, Germanic background actually, of the name Mark Wolf, which means borderland wolf, and David from the Hebrew King David, meaning beloved. So, beloved borderland wolf, isn't that just poetic? Thank you, mom and dad. A little bit more about myself. Been with the same woman for the past 5 years now, happily engaged. She helps me a lot here on Good Times Hockey, so thanks a lot, babe, for helping me out and supporting me on this project. So, enough about myself. So, with the magic of editing, ta da! 2019-20 Leaf Ultimate Hockey. I mean, I don't think it's going to get any better than that. Well, there are some, but I mean, I really wanted to treat myself to some premium hits and got a fair price for it. As you can see on the box, these cards can be total epicness, but I've seen some breaks and it can be total awkwardness as well. It says on the box that this Leaf product is not affiliated with the NHLPA or the NHL, so sometimes you don't get to see the logos of the teams. Some of these cards, Mount Rushmore type of cards, have no logos, don't have the pictures of the guys on the card. Very cringy. So we're hoping for the best on this premium box of 2019-20 Leaf Ultimate Hockey. Let's get this party started. All right, that wasn't easy. Let's try something out here. All right, here we go. So the first hit for this box. Double J, Jaromir Jagr, auto memorabilia. We actually get to see his face on the card, and I see a captain as well, numbered out of 6. Now that's some premium hit. Happy birthday to me. I love Jagr. This is awesome. Wow. Beautiful autograph of Jaromir Jagr. All right. Second card. It's a Rangers goalie. Mike Richter Ultimate Signature Relics. Numbered out of 15. These patches are awesome. Look at them from left to right. So much coolness, colors. Rangers fans, if you want this card, don't be shy to message me. Beautiful card. For the last one, the fabled Ted Lindsay, Alex Delvecchio, Gordie Howe, Terry Sawchuk. Numbered out of 2. Number 1 out of 2. This is epic. Every card in the pack was epicness. Look at all of these jerseys. This is beautiful, beautiful stuff. I'm so happy I got this for my birthday. So if you think I deserve a little extra birthday present, please subscribe to my channel, comment on this break. So thank you for passing by, and hopefully I'll see you next time for some more good times hockey.